Jesus, this thing is now strong. Like, okay, this is my yam. This is me leaving Owerri to Bayelsa after ASUU called off the strike. On reaching Bayelsa, I noticed that some roads were really affected by flood. Bayelsa is one of the states in Nigeria that was affected by flood. The roads were greatly damaged. And as you can see, there's still water inside the bushes.
See how like this, see from here like this, water. Sample for you.
Because some of farm down the trek for Kappa. I beg.
You go pass now, don't be scared. Water now they again everything you go say.
As I was trying to capture the damaged roads, we got to a place where some men directing people on how to drive through because of the road was broken into two. Thought I was capturing them and he hit an iron on the driver's vehicle. That's how the drivers and some of his passengers started shouting at the man. They started to exchange words. The passengers and the driver was telling them that why can't I video that? I was not even actually trying to capture them, so why will he do that kind of stuff? And me at the back, I was just looking doing nothing, not even trying to contribute.
This road
they go now. No video again. Don't start to.
Why no video? Nah, because I say now, have you hold this for
I don't need anybody who come give me stress, forest stress, exactly. I don't get that much.
You know not reach to it.
What they could do this road,
The outside, they will beat it.
See my yam. See grew as sexy. Oh, see what my yam is doing. Wait, I need to bring light and show you guys my yam, and I'm going to show you guys other things. So, see where it comes from. This is my yam. My yam. See. It seems that my remaining Jesus, this thing is now strong. Like, okay, I think it's Jesus. This thing is now strong. See, because see, I think this thing is not Jesus. This thing is now soft. See, this is soft. Oh, even this one is still strong. I go throw this thing. Even this one is still good, of course. Thank God. This one, I don't know. Hey, Jesus, see. Something I came back. I don't even know whether I've spent 1 month in this school before this strike. And my milk, I won't be as cheap. Ada, see. Oh! Okay, these are the food stuff my mom gave to me while I was coming back. She said immediately I get back to school after arranging everything that I should just cook this soup and eat. But at this point, I'm so like tired. Like my kitchen is not ready, my room is not ready, I am not ready. So I decided to take it to Precious house. Okay, this is me in Precious house. I had to sleep over there because my house was very, very dusty and I can't just sleep. Is it the code? Good morning. So after I was helped by Precious and Elizabeth to clean my room, I decided to sleep over, and this is what I had for breakfast. I know I said I'm going to show some of the food that I left here before we went for strike, but the thing is that the day we were cleaning I did not even remember, and like it was hectic, so I did not actually show what, like my beans, my yam, a lot of things. My beans was filled with weevil, like it was crazy. My indomie was messed up, like I just like brought out the few that are actually very, very good, yes, and I left them. Other things I threw away minus this rice you are seeing, because I felt like it's still good, and I think it's actually still good because rice is expensive, and I've started to eat it. Yes, I started to eat from the old one, so, and it's still good. Yeah, continue to watch my YouTube. So guys, I know you'll be wondering where I'm heading to. I'm trying to meet up with Casey because she said she's close by, not knowing the girl has actually arrived and she has been waiting for me. Small here. See that car that is coming at the front? Is it bike or car? Please be conscious. See Casey, is it hello? It's 150.